Hello, Doctor. I'm Kong Ho Yang from at Pip-Voice Group, and I'm going to present my mini project. The title of my mini project is Pandemic Control Airport Management System. Due to COVID-19 outbreak around the world, we decided to develop an airport management system that can control and manage the entry of passengers into Malaysia and the leaving of passengers from Malaysia while minimizing the risk of COVID-19 infection at the gateway of international airport. There are three objectives in this project. The first objective is to control the entry of foreigners and Malaysians into Malaysia during COVID-19 outbreak. And the second objective is to control the leaving of foreigners and Malaysians from Malaysia during COVID-19 outbreak. And the last objective is to filter potential COVID-19 infected passengers from normal passengers to avoid further infection. This is the header file for Class Hospital. For private, we have string, hash name, battle, infected, iris. For public, we have constructor, mutator, SSO, void, add infected, which is used to add the infected passenger object into the iris battle. And the void print is used to print the information of infected passengers to an output file. This is the void print, where we can see here. If the output file is already exists, then we will write the information of the new added passenger, the infected passenger to the end of the file. If the file is not exist, then we will create a new file and write all this information into it. This is the header file for class passport. For private, we have string passport name, nation pointer, history, date pointer, issue, date pointer, expired. For public, we have default constructor, constructor with argument, mutators, SSO, input operator overloading. This is the input operator overloading. Firstly, we'll ask the user to key in their passport number, the date of issue, day, month, year, also the date of expired, and lastly is their most recent travel history, which is the name of a country. This is the header file for class person. For the protector, we have string name, integer, age, health, passport, nation, pointer, nationality, character, gender. After that is the public. We have default constructor, void create passport, SSOs, mutators, virtual void read input, where it is used to read information of person from keyboard, and virtual void print is used to display person's information at the output. And for the void read input, firstly we'll ask the user to key in their personal information such as their name, age, gender, nationality, and after that the passport is called by using input operator overloading, and health is called is by using input operator overloading too. This is the header file for class quarantine. For private, we have string qname, battle, healthy list. For public, we have constructor, mutator, SSO, void add passenger, which is used to add healthy objects into list battle, void print, which is used to print the information of healthy objects to an output file. This is the void print method. Firstly, we'll open an input file, and buffer is used to get the first line of the input file, and then input file is closed. If buffer is empty, output file is open, then the information of healthy objects from the list battle will be write into the output file. If buffer is not empty, the input file is open again, and this loop is used to get the contents of input file and store it to the list battle. List pop-back is used to erase the empty line at the end of file, and then output file is open. This loop is used to write the string contents from list battle to the output file, and this loop is used to write the information of the healthy objects stored at the list battle to the output file. This is the header file for class ticket. It has two attributes, flight name and destination. It has default constructor with argument, SSO, and mutators. Initially, this function will ask user to enter the date for today, and exception handling is used to check the date entered. After that, hash list file is open. If it is empty or does not exist, then this message will be displayed. If it exists and is not empty, Then all the registered pandemic hospital will be displayed at the output. This group is used to ask user whether they want to add new pandemic hospital or not. After that is the quarantine centers. The quarantine center will have the same process as the pandemic hospital. This is the manager menu. First, the hashlist file will be opened, and this group is used to count the number of registered pandemic hospital from the hashlist file. After that, the array of hospital object is created, and this group is used to set the name of pandemic hospital to the object. And there's add option in this group, and this group will only be end if option S is add is selected. This function is used to display the list of infected passengers at output. First, hashlist file is open. If hashlist file does not exist or is empty, then we will go back to the manager menu. If it exists and is not empty, then the list of registered pandemic hospital will be displayed, and user have to choose one of the hospital to build the list of infected passengers. After that, we will go back to the manager menu again. From this project, I get to apply all the programming concepts that I have learned during the programming technique class in real life, and this project gave me an opportunity to gain more experience in C++ and object-oriented programming. Besides that, I also learned the skills of team working and communication, as this is a group project and requires cooperation and communications with other group members. Last but not least, I also learned the skill of developing a program during the process of conducting this project. And I believe that all the experience, knowledge, and skills that I have learned from this project will be very useful for my studies and even for my future career.